Hey YouTube, how you doing? This is Joe over at Alan Ed's Autosound in Venice Beach, California. We are your largest retail chain store that carries and sells these license plates, and our location's probably the biggest installer for them based on volume. One thing I want to show you in the app today is the compliance letter. Since this piece of technology is still in a pilot program for California, up here in the top left, where you will see your name, account settings, notifications, etc. Bottom button is the compliance letter. This compliance letter is from the DMV, recognizing that CHP, local law enforcement, and the state of California is aware that this plate exists. It is 100% legal. You may run into somebody in law enforcement that is not aware that these plates exist or are available. So make sure you have access to this. I would probably recommend having a printout attached to your registration in your glove compartment. That's what we're doing for all our clients here, is printing out 2 copies, one for their receipt and one for their glove box. Once again, this DMV compliance letter is something you could download on the desktop or via the app.